We are going to collect the coriander seeds. If you leave a cilantro plant without harvesting, it will grow as a mature plant and it will flower and it will grow seeds like this. And you can collect the seeds and we can plant them again as a cool season herb. So we can grow it in spring and in fall. Some of these seeds will fall into the ground and it will produce the cilantro plant next year. You don't even have to plant them next year. We are going to pick some cilantro, also fresh cilantro. It's easy to grow cilantro. You just sprinkle the coriander seeds and it will grow cilantro. We will put this in our salad. If you plant them, if you sow the seeds of coriander in summer, what happens is because of the high heat, it will make flowers so quick. Do you know what are these seed pods? These are the seed pods of radish. When we harvested radish, we left one radish plant and did not harvest, and it bore flowers and fruits. Let's open and see one seed pod. See, these are the seeds of radish. I'll collect more and I can show you better. I'm going to take all the seed pods and collect all the seeds together. Radish is a cool season vegetable. It's a root vegetable. So we will be planting them again end of August. So we can harvest them in fall. See, I got this many seeds. The conductor,